Hi, I'm Craig from Furniture Clinic, and in this video I'm going to show you the best possible way to clean and maintain your leather and keep it looking newer for longer using our leather care kit. This is an excellent kit containing our Leather Ultra Clean with its powerful cleaning action and our protection cream with a range of benefits. It's a perfect solution to clean, feed, nourish and protect all types of leather, prolonging the life of your leather items. Let's take a look in more detail. Leather Ultra Clean is a highly effective cleaner used to provide safe, deep, effortless cleaning for all types of leather. It can not only be used on furniture, but automotive leather, clothes, equestrian leathers and any other item made from leather. We have formulated the cleaner to contain no solvents or abrasives, allowing it to remove deeply ingrained dirt and grime from leather safely without causing any damage. It's an effective water-based leather cleaner, making it ideal for cleaning any colour and type of leather, including light colours that tend to show the dirt more clearly, like this piece of leather here. As you can see, on this piece of leather, which we've kept from an old sofa, the original clean colour is visible on the edge where it was stitched to another panel. You can see that all the dirt is ingrained and embedded into the creases and valleys of the grain. Now, this is a 20-year-old sofa, and to be honest, it looks as though it was never clean in that time. So a damp cloth at this point is futile. We're going to need to use the leather cleaner. To use it, simply dampen a sponge by squeezing some product into it, agitate the sponge to create a foam and rub it into the leather in a circular motion. By using the product as a foam, the bubbles will help lift the dirt and make quick work of even the toughest build of grime. As you can see, the dirt has been held in the bubbles. You should wipe away this with a clean cloth before the bubbles have time to disperse. As you can see, simply using the cleaner with a sponge gives great results. However, for larger areas and to speed up the process, you may consider using the leather cleaning brush and foaming bottle. The cleaner can be decanted into this bottle, which creates a rich foam when the pump is pressed. The leather cleaning brush is made from bristles which are strong enough to get into the grain of the leather, but still soft enough not to damage the surface. By using the cleaner in conjunction with the brush, you can see how quickly you can get through larger areas. This product is a great general cleaner, but for the most stubborn stains such as ink and dye transfer, you may need a specialist stain remover, but that's a different video. Back to the cleaner and correctly maintaining your leather. To keep it in pristine condition, you should give it a wipe over with a damp cloth every week or 2 weeks. This will remove any dust or debris, preventing a build-up within the grain, and you should aim to give it a deep clean with this every 3 months. After cleaning your leather, it is the ideal time to apply a protective barrier to the surface. Our leather protection cream, which is included in the kit, is perfect for that. The leather protection cream is a product designed to feed, nourish, protect and reinstate the traditional leather aroma. In short, this will prolong the functional life of all leather items. First things first, I'm going to show you how to use the protection cream at this stage before explaining why you should use it, as it does take a few minutes to dry. Simply add a little bit of the protection cream to a clean cloth. Only a small amount is needed, as it does go a long way. Then simply rub it onto the surface of the leather, making sure to apply a nice even coat and that any build-up is smoothed over. This first piece is actually an aniline leather, a fairly common type of leather that is highly absorbent. As the product soaks in, it may darken the leather slightly but will revert to its original colour when dry. This second piece is pigmented leather, by far the most common type used on furniture and car interiors, which is not absorbent. This is because it's coloured with a surface coating and a clear lacquer. I've already applied 2 coats to this, and this was the second coat which I applied to the first piece. To fully protect your leather, you should apply 2 coats initially and then top it up with 1 coat every 3 months. I'll be coming back to these shortly to demonstrate how effective the protection cream actually is. So, the leather protection cream introduces 5 key benefits to your leather. It contains a natural blend of oils and waxes perfectly formulated to feed and nourish, preventing the leather from drying out and becoming brittle. It forms a protective barrier which not only makes it easier to clean but holds water and oil-based stains on the surface so they can be easily wiped away without staining the leather. This barrier will also help protect the leather from wear and tear. Generally, when leather is sat on and used, in the case of furniture for example, the leather will become abraded by friction and cause the surface of the leather to become worn. The barrier from the protection cream can help prevent this. Other benefits include UV inhibitors, which will help reduce fading when in direct contact with sunlight. And finally, the leather's protection cream is infused with the leather aroma, which is transferred into your leather when applied, reinstating that new leather smell. So going back to the leather I protected earlier, once dry, take a clean cloth and give it a quick buff. This will help blend in the sheen. If you want it to look shinier, simply add more coats. To demonstrate how effective treating the leather with protection cream can be, I will pour 3 common stains on both the protected and unprotected side of the leather: coffee, oil and red wine. If I try to blot away the stains with a cloth, you can instantly see how on the unprotected side they have been absorbed into the leather, whereas on the protected side the stains are blotted away, leaving only minor traces. This is because the protection cream is holding the residue close to the surface and not deep in the fibre structure of the leather. These traces can be easily cleaned and wiped away with the cleaner included in this kit. Now let's take a look at the pigmented leather and show you what the protection cream can do when it comes to tackling another problem: dye transfer and ink stains. Dye transfer is a type of stain caused by the colour or dye from clothing, for example, leaching out when it comes into contact with leather. This dye will migrate through the coatings of the leather. In essence, it will change the colour of the coating itself. So it's not just a case of simply cleaning it off the surface. Any vigorous cleaning action or harsh chemicals can start to strip the coatings and damage the leather. Ink is a combination of pigments and dyes, and so there's the same type of stain as dye transfer. So for this demonstration, we can see how the leather protection cream can help with stubborn stains like ink and dye transfer. Using the cleaner again, you can see how on the protected side the stain can easily be removed. This is because the stain is sitting on the barrier the protection cream is providing. So that was a leather care kit. It's a must-have product with amazing results. If you have any questions about it or any of our other products, please leave a comment below. If you've enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.